All right, guys, back out in the shop here, and here we have the truck. So I got all the windows bolted down. Both front doors are on and adjusted. I got the, the weather strip or the trim on the outside and everything. It's, pretty clean, but let's see here. I know the other side had a mark in it, but yeah, I guess they're all right. Maybe I could do something to them later on, but these ones are actually pretty good. Oh, it's just in this one. Yeah, okay. So this one has all that in it, and then the other side on the driver door, this piece has a little mark in it. But if you guys remember, this door had a dent right here from, I guess, probably a rock hit it. And there's a bunch of broken glass in the bottom of this window, so something hit it at some point and broke some stuff. But I also got my new air filter installed here. Looking all good in there. It's a Spectra air filter with the cold air intake. That's all paint matched now. And might still have the old one over here. Right there, all rusty. As you can see, that's not a K&N air take. That's rust and dirt. So it's pretty rough. Who knows what happened to it, but definitely got ruined. So I mean, it wasn't horribly dirty. I could still see through it, but I got that nice clean one on there now. And yeah, so it's pretty much all put together and ready to be moved. I mean, I didn't finish like the inside of the doors and stuff. Well, one, I'm waiting on my door speakers, so I can't like put the panel on. But also, I don't know, I'm trying to move on and get the other stuff prepped, because I mean, I can always put the strip on and all the little plugs, like all the little holes in the rockers and stuff. I mean, that's easy stuff, but I just, kind of want to clean them up a bit, and that's a little bit time consuming. And then all my interior trim and stuff like that, and that panel. But I got this put on, so that's nice. That looks pretty good. But yeah, my speakers will be here in like 2 or 3 days. So if anything, I was just gonna slide the door panels on for now. Which, I mean, don't get me wrong, I still might do that, but I'm just gonna start prepping on that stuff because my door panels are right there. So I can at least get started on my hood, and then I do want to work on my bumpers, and then hopefully tomorrow or something be painting them. But also right now it is raining outside, so I can't, well, I could move the truck, but it's gonna get all water spotted and stuff like that. And also I don't have any of my weather stripping in. Like, I got all of my weather stripping right here, and I actually just found all the part numbers for it. So maybe I'll just open the door. So there's actually 6 pieces. So there's one that goes fully around the pinch weld of the whole cab, all the way around for these extended cabs. Might as well open this too. There's one that goes, I think, up the outside here and all the way down the inside into the little corner here. And then there's also one that goes from here all the way up and all the way up to the windshield molding. And I think all the way down too, as a matter of fact. And then this bolts to the side of the windshield. So that'll bolt on first, and then there's a strip that goes all the way along the roof and to the back of the cab there. And then there's the inner one, and then the rear door one, and that's on both sides. So there's 6, and they're pretty pricey. It's gonna be like probably $800 or something, but I mean, the ones that went all the way around the cab right here, right in here on both sides, they were split open, and the metal that kind of clamps it to the pinch was getting all rusty and stuff. And then I'm not sure about the one on this side, but the seal on the door, I think it was the passenger side, was ripped and like coming off and stuff like that. And then when I was taking them off, the little tabs, they just kind of broke. And then also the seal kind of ripped in half for that one. So I already had getting new weather strips in mind because they were rusty and getting all wore out and stuff. So I for sure needed like, you know, like half of them before. But this way it's just like, okay, just get them all, you know, all nice and new. Like here, you can see how rusty that one's getting. So yeah, just time to replace them. And now they're like, you know, completely shot and oversprayed and dirty and stuff like that. And then my old rain guards or sun deflectors are in here too, right here. I don't even know what brand these were, but it only had 3 on it before. So I think I am gonna get new ones, and I'm gonna get some in-channel ones. Not exactly sure how they go on, but I think that those would look pretty clean if I got some in-channel ones instead of sticking it to my new paint on the door. Just for like when it's raining like it is outside right now. I could probably show you guys at the window. As you can see, the window's a little wet. You guys can kind of see it a little bit. But anyways, that is the plan there. I also ordered a new antenna for it, and then I think that's about it for now. I'm looking for control arms. I might be ordering those tonight also, because if you can see there, my wheel is slanted inward and the caster is all the way out, so I cannot go any further out. I need new upper control arms because I added another inch to the front. And also, I don't remember if I ever told you guys, but I have an advertisement of the truck, which is these nice little bump stops back here. They actually advertised me like 2 months ago when I first put, I think I only had like the leaf springs on or something. I don't even think I had the rear end in it yet. But I told them, I was like, yeah, they worked really good and they fit. And the frame was still sitting on the ground over there. And they're like, well, if you want to send us pictures, we'll advertise it. So it's like, okay, sweet. So here's the pictures I sent them. And then they linked me at the bottom of the picture. So that's really sweet. And I mean, that's my first advertisement. And then I got a custom exhaust sponsor. But that's about it for now. So, you know, doing all this on my own with little to no help and buying it all from my own pocket. But that's okay, you know. It's my first truck build. I didn't really expect sponsors, but when I kind of heard about them, I was like, I mean, it's worth a shot, you know. You know, the worst thing that they can say is no. And especially right now being a odd year, people aren't really sponsoring up until next year, 2022. So it's either, well, and then, so I was gonna get a full Cognito lift kit for this, but they're having problems getting supplies and stuff. So I had to cancel my order. And I already had some stuff. Like I had like the bigger rear leaf blocks and a front drive shaft. And I got some other coil spring spacers and whatnot just to make it a little bit taller. And, you know, without having that kit, it doesn't really work with that, you know, another kit. Plus everyone else is having problems too. So I think I'm just gonna be waiting a while. Who knows, maybe I'll even wait until next year. I mean, if you look at it, that's only like, you know, that's only 6 months away. I mean, we're already halfway through the year, basically. So maybe next winter, I'll like do a revision and finish the lift, get some wheels and stuff. That way I'll have some more money too. Like, yeah, I can afford it all right now, you know, get some 26x14s, get some, you know, nice chrome wheels, bigger tires, you know, get some 40s or something instead of these like 36s or 35.5s, whatever these are. They're 325s, 50, 22. I think they're like a 35.5. But yeah, I would like to run 40s on 26s and then switch to chrome because I think chrome would go better with the white and stuff. And then a whole new lift kit and stuff like that. So I think that would look really good, but you know, I'm just gonna wait it out because I just want the truck done. And I mean, if I might, you know, try and get a hold of Cognito and see if they could work something out for me. But yeah, then I'd have to buy wheels too, and I don't know. A lot of the wheels are back ordered too, so that's another problem going on. So I don't know, I might just kind of wait it out and let it all blow by, and then get some stuff once stock finally starts coming back in and building up again. So that's kind of the plan. Unfortunately, it's going to look a little bit rough for now because of, you know, I didn't even bother to paint any of the suspension or the front end, but I mean, all the other stuff still looks good. And yeah, so it's time to just get the rest of it finished. I probably got a week left to work on it. So, you know, definitely on crunch time, but I think I can manage. So I gotta start prepping the hood, and then I'll prep the grill. I got mirrors. What else? I got the hood hinges right there. That's still the old color, so might as well paint match those. And then the bumpers. And then I gotta find where my tailgate is. I got a new tailgate. I don't remember where it went, but I'm sure I'll find it somewhere. And then I'll probably have to do the headlights and taillights later. I know that taillights are kind of hard to do because you actually got to cut them open. I don't think you can heat them up and split them like you can do with headlights. And then I might try and do something with a third brake light or something like that. But yeah, it's just too much to do right now. And I can spray them later on. I'm not too worried about that. Like, I might wait on the door handles too. I don't know about wiper arms. I don't know. Some of that stuff's pretty easy. It's just I gotta make sure I have the room to paint it all. So I still gotta kind of figure it all out, because I think I can paint the bumpers all at once, but the hood I'm not sure of, because if I could find a way to hang it and paint it all at once, I'd rather do that. But it's gonna be kind of hard, so I might have to paint it one night and flip it. And same with the tailgate, but I think I can hold the bumpers by their license plate holes or something like that, and just kind of paint it all at once, like I did with the front doors here, which I think that these turned out all right. Oh, there's actually a run right there that I didn't even notice before. But yeah, no, they turned out all right. So I don't know if that's a scratch or what, but yeah, no, they look good. And you know, you'll only see it if the door is open anyways. Same with the hood. So as long as I can get one good coat on the top, that's what matters. But anyways, I also gotta check how much paint I have and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna get started, and hopefully the rain lets up or something, so I can move my truck to right over here instead, and then I can start kind of planning stuff and send stuff up. But it is Saturday night right now, and yeah, I gotta get everything pretty much prepped tonight and then paint it all tomorrow, or I gotta hurry up, rush home and paint it after work or something. But yeah, it'll all get done, I'm sure. And that was a voice crack, but it'll all get done, I'm sure, and it'll be done before you know it. So I'm gonna get to work, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh, and I almost forgot the box for the truck. I still gotta find time to get that in and prepped, because it's still sitting right out over there. And that thing definitely needs to get painted, because I realize the truck's just not gonna look good if it's still the old color. It's just gonna look, you know, like crap. So I gotta hurry up, get this stuff all prepped, and then sucks that it's raining, and it's supposed to be raining tomorrow too. But if I could get the box in and just do a quick little paint job on that so it all matches for now, and then at least have the truck all one color, and then I don't know, maybe change that out later on too, like I was talking about with the lift and the wheels and stuff like that. But I just, you know, want a base to go off of for now, so that's all looking pretty decent. So I'm gonna get these parts pulled out now and get to work. right, guys, so there it is. This thing looks so good outside. Now you can kind of get the full effect of it out in some natural light, even though it was raining out and it's you know, pretty cloudy. But now to get it pulled in on that side and start pulling parts out to get the rest of it prepped and painted.